It's time for another fragrance video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loice. I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe, like and share my videos. It really helps the channel to grow. On today's video, I'm going to be speaking about Acqua Di Parma Colonia. Cologne? I think it's a cologne. This is a unisex fragrance that was released in 1916. So this is over 100 years old, and that's why I found it very interesting that a fragrance that was released in 1916 is still quite popular. Okay, maybe not popular, but it's still quite popular in 2021. So most of the fragrances you see now are like brand new, 2007, 2002, 2017. So I thought this is a really interesting perfume. This was the first fragrance released by Acqua Di Parma, and it was it's rumored, or I don't know if it's true or not, that Audrey Hepburn and all those celebrities at the time really loved it, and that's how the house of Acqua Di Parma grew and opened up into other fragrances. So I guess this is a very important fragrance. The notes in this fragrance are lavender, rosemary, Sicilian citrus, Bulgarian rose, jasmine, amber and light musk. I would describe this as a citrus fragrance. Yeah, it's predominantly citrusy and a bit soapy, you know. What it reminds me of is, you know, when you come out of a hotel room shower and you showered with the soap that they give you in the hotel. You know, those bar soaps? It gives me that feeling. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like quite soapy, quite citrusy, very clean. It smells clean. Yeah. So I feel like this is a fragrance you can wear all year round. If you're someone who is into fresh scents, this will be good for you. Don't mind the lid, it's like, it's broken. But we still love the fragrance. This is actually a 20 milliliter fragrance, the bottle, which I find is very good, because Acqua, they do this a set of 3 in one box. So it's like a tester, and if you don't like a fragrance, then you can stop using it. I mean, it's only 20 ml and you can be done with it. I think this is good for fresh, everyday scents. If you're not really, like, it smells like you're on the, not on the beach actually, on the water, on a boat. Not on a yacht, on a boat. On a boat, there's water splashing everywhere. You just want to smell clean. That's the vibe this gives me. It's a very fresh fragrance. Someone said, I read on Fragrantica, somebody said that this smells like what they use to scent bathrooms nowadays. So I guess at the time it was a really nice fragrance, because maybe all this scents and all this technology about spraying the bathrooms and everything was not there. So this is a really good fragrance. I initially used this to put fragrance on men's handkerchiefs. That was the very first use for this, and it has morphed into a love for many people. You know, I love it. It's unisex, so anybody can wear this. If you're scared of perfume and you just want to smell like, this is my personal scent, like I smell like this, this is it. I know people who always say like they love their natural scents. This is like your natural scent but better. Yeah, it's like you smell good but clean. If you know anything about the brand Acqua Di Parma, their fragrance don't last on the skin for too long, maybe 3 to 4 hours maximum. If it's too hot, less than that. That's why I love this small bottle so much, because you can keep this in the car with you or in your bag and just spritz it on again. I think, yeah, you have to, you must you must spritz this again if you have it and you're out during the day. It's not one of those things that will last on your skin. No, the projection, well, not great. It's a very close to the skin type of scent. It just stays on your skin very close, cuddling you like we're clean now. That's honestly how it smells. It smells like you're clean now, there's no issues, everything is good, let's go. Most of the bottles are just like this. You know, there's no passable, very simple, very elegant, very Acqua di Parma. Let me know, do you use this fragrance? Let me know what fragrances you love under the Acqua di Parma line. I'm doing a few other videos on fragrances from Acqua di Parma, so I would like to know which ones you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the review, guys. See you on the next video. Goodbye.